Have you ever thought about using your retirement account to invest in real estate? Most people think that their 401k, TSP, or IRA just has to sit in the stock market until they retire. But once you leave an employer, retire from the military, or simply change jobs, you have the option to now move those funds. And you can move those funds into other investments and invest in real estate. I have seen so many people that have either left their jobs, retired from the military, or even government employees use this strategy. I worked with a local person here in Jacksonville who I met at a networking event. We scheduled some time to meet together. We actually ended up rolling over her TSP account into self-directed and worked with them with assisting her with that transfer over there. She was a retired military member. She served for over 20 years in the Navy. After she retired, of course, you're not able to contribute any more money to that TSP account while it's there because you are no longer active duty. And so again, we transferred that money over to self-directed. We were then able to roll her retirement into one of our projects that closed last year. Now, with working with us, we pay out quarterly dividends to our investors, and we were able to pay her over $7,000 on that investment just yesterday because we pay, again, quarterly payments. For her investment, it started out at over $150,000, a little bit over $150,000, and her return right now is at $7,700 and some change, but she was able to start earning more money than she would have if she would have just left her money in her TSP account. So I've seen numerous people just like that last investor go through the same process and being able to grow their retirement a lot more and a little bit faster than they would through investing through stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. That investor is not the only one. Literally 90% of one of my recent deals that we closed had over 90% of people utilizing TSP accounts and their rolled over 401ks. And so I hope that gives you a greater perspective of just the idle money that's sitting right in your accounts right now. Okay, so I'm actually gonna pull up the numbers for you guys because I like to be very exact on just numbers because numbers are very sensitive. We worked with this investor who I met locally at a meetup, not even a real estate meetup. She decided she wanted to invest in one of our projects because she was like, oh, I totally understand this concept, but I did not find the right operator to work with just yet until she met with me. And so once she decided that she was ready to move forward, I helped her roll over her TSP account to self-directed IRA using the link in the description below. And from there, I helped her make sure everything got fully funded and the transfer went smoothly because TSP does take quite some time to get the money from TSP to directed IRA. And there we invested into a project that we closed last year. So we made a large lump sum payment just yesterday to all of our investors on this project. There were a total of 9 of them. Her investment specifically was $151,459, 0 cents. And we were able to pay her out yesterday $7,741.24. That is her quarterly payment that we are making her until her investment is returned 100%. So with this specific deal, we have a 12-month time frame, and then she's getting 4 payments of that $7,741.24, and then she'll receive her initial investment, her principal, back at the end of the 12 months. I hope that gives you greater perspective on what private money lending can do for you and how you can actually maximize your retirement accounts, whether if that's TSP, 401k, IRA, any of them. The biggest takeaway is that you may have retirement funds sitting sitting right in your account that you honestly already probably rarely think about. Once you are able to roll over those funds, you'll have so many more investment options and opportunities available to you. If you want to understand what options there are and what opportunities are available to you, download my free resource, Stop Letting Your Retirement Money Sit Idle. My name is Joshua Wells. I help everyday people earn double-digit returns backed by real estate. I'll catch you in the next one.